Oh my gosh. I'm going to show you how you can get this product for only $1 plus two more items, only $1 each one. Oh my goodness. Okay, so $1 and change. Wow. Anyway, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how you can get that at Walgreens this week. The week started now, today's Sunday, March 9th, and it's going to go until March 15th. Don't forget to like and follow so you can continue to get notified when I post videos and I can bring you super awesome savings. Also share so that more people could enjoy the savings just like you and we can all just get our products. I absolutely love this. Anyway, let's get right into the video. Walgreens this week has these items of the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Some of them are coming out to $19.99. That's how much I got mine for. However, there are other prices of $24.99 and $26.99. So I'm just going to show you the code. So look for this one that's coming out to 19 and 99 cents. And from there, we're going to bring it down to $1 and change, and you're going to see how. So this week at Walgreens, we have that beauty promotion where you spend 25 and you get back $10. Now, if you do this online, you're going to get the $10 back in the form of Walgreens cash. I know a lot of people were asking about that. If you do it in store, you're going to get back $10 in a register reward. So in like a paper, like this. So this was done in store, for example. If you do it in store, you can pay with register rewards. If you do it online, you might be able to use a few dollars of points. But if you want me to do another video on that, I'll let you know how to use the points and all that online. So this was in store. $19.99 with a $7 digital coupon that comes off. That coupon is from today. So clip all your coupons before going in. And also there's a coupon for the baby lips. So clip everything before going in to do your purchase. The baby lips are $5.99 for each one. If you were to do it by themselves, it'll be $11.98 for both of them. And there's a $5 digital coupon that comes off. You would pay $6.98 for both if it was by itself. So when I put it into the transaction, it came out to a little over $30. And I did use one of these paper boosters because I had no digital boosters, at least in my account, I didn't have any. So I use a paper booster of spend 15, get 5. And how do you get these? I showed you in a video yesterday how you were able to get these. So I hope you're able to get that or you have them already and you can use it in the transaction. Let's get into the math now. Okay, so that'll be $19.99 plus $5.99 times 2 for the baby lips. The total will be $31.98, but we're going to take off digital coupons. We're going to take off the 7 from the Neutrogena moisturizer, and then we're going to take off 5 for the 2 baby lips from Maybelline. You're down to $19.97 for these products, but we're going to get $10 back from that beauty promotion, and we're going to get $5 back from that paper booster that I showed you. You're down to $4.97. And when you divide that by the 3 items, you're going to pay $1.65 per item. If you have registered rewards, you can help lower the cost or basically pay nothing at the end. But if you have nothing else, only that the digital coupons and that booster I showed you, this is how much you would pay. Like and follow for more videos. Don't forget to share so that more people could enjoy the savings just like you and I. Until the next one, and don't forget to smile.